Today we have a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is When You Give Attitude to the Wrong Cop.
You're being placed under arrest, and you need to step outside of the vehicle.
Not happening.
On July 10th, 2024, an officer pulled over a vehicle for running a stop sign.
How's it going? I'm Officer Shaw of the Orlando Police Department. Do you have your license, registration, proof of insurance?
Is it safe to get it?
Yep. And the registration and proof of insurance?
It's a rental stop.
It's a rental. How long have you had the rental for?
Where's the rental agreement?
Do you mind hanging up while we're...
Oh, I'm definitely not.
I'm sorry? I can't hear you.
I said I'm not hanging up my phone, and it's a rental, and I've had it for about a week.
Okay. The reason I'm pulling you over is you ran the stop sign back there at Livingston and Broadway, and you're talking on your phone and had coffee in the other hand.
I definitely didn't run a stop sign. I would never run a stop sign.
Well, you did. And
So I can't be online.
you cannot be holding your phone, and you cannot be holding coffee in another hand. You need to be paying attention to driving.
I'm not driving. I'll just take the ticket and go. This is not.
Okay. I'm just letting you know.
Vibes aren't well, and I'm pretty sure it's not.
You're in a residential. It is when you're not paying attention. You're running a stop sign. You got a phone in one hand and a coffee in the other, and you're in a residential neighborhood.
I don't want to.
So, okay, I guess we just don't care about safety. Stay there, please.
The officer would return to his car to write up the ticket.
Before in suspensions, and I see the tag order without notice.
Delta 25 out from next time.
My boy on bike duty today, huh?
I think I'm in a 1015er. What? Willis? She's gonna be 1015.
They're doing a criminal site?
What's that?
A criminal site?
No, she's gonna go. She's been suspended twice. She blows a stop sign back here, phone in one hand, coffee in the other. I pull over, still yakking on the phone, still has coffee in her hand, and then starts giving me a bunch of attitude, and her license isn't even good. Well, for TK, but yeah. So, like, she clearly doesn't care.
Yeah, she don't give a crap. And she will now. She think life is just one big game, huh? Okay.
All right, we can have her come step out, sign those.
What they do? Send the black officer to talk to her? Yeah.
Hello. He's gonna have you step out so you can sign.
Oh no, that's the white officer.
You're not getting out?
No, he can bring it right here. Officer Sayer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the problem?
I don't know what the problem is, but this officer is asking you to step out.
No, I know better than to get out of my car.
And according to Florida State statute, if we ask you to get out of the vehicle, unfortunately, you have to get out.
I can sign right here. I'm not gonna get out.
You need to step out of the vehicle.
I'm not gonna get out. So
Well,
we can move to the next.
Here's the deal. You're being placed
For
under
a
arrest,
ticket.
and you need to step outside of the vehicle.
Not happening.
You need to step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to take you out by busting this window.
Okay. All right, boys.
You can step
Get the
out,
gloves
or
on.
We're going to take you out. You are under arrest for driving with a suspended license. Step out of the vehicle. This is not going to end well for you. You need to step out of the vehicle.
The door unlocked?
No.
What?
You need to step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to bust this window.
Just open the door, man. Just open the door, man.
Do you have a punch?
You want me to pop it?
Open the vehicle now. You have no more chances. Open the vehicle and step out.
You can't hear you, so just open the door.
Open the vehicle and step out.
What is your name?
or I am going to pull you out of this vehicle. Do you understand me?
Are making you feel very threatened.
You are dictating how this goes. You are under arrest. You need to step out of the vehicle and put your hands behind your back.
You started this.
Yes, I pulled you over. You need to step out of the vehicle. Okay, step out of the vehicle right now.
Yeah, but this on the 12 Western.
I'm not moving.
Step out. Come on.
I can't have no interaction with him. I can have
Step
one
out
with
of
you.
the vehicle.
I can have
You're
one
under
with you.
arrest.
I can't have one with you.
See, gotta send the black officer in there, man. You know what I'm saying? He gonna smoothen it out. He gonna smoothen it out, man. But in all seriousness, it shouldn't matter, you know, whichever one is what. You mean, the result is still going to be the same. This is the arresting officer. This is the guy who is citing you and everything. The other guys are just backup. Honestly, this guy's stop.
You're now under arrest. Step out of the vehicle.
Or you.
Get out of the vehicle,
No.
man. You have to get out of the car, man.
Yeah, but not like this.
Okay, just get out.
But not like this. But not like this.
Ma'am, get out of the car.
No.
You have to.
Why?
You're under arrest.
For?
Drive with a suspended license. Are you gonna hit me?
Are you gonna
Don't
hit me?
get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the car. Go on.
No.
We're not doing this.
No. No.
All right, you're about to get sprayed.
No. I don't.
Okay, so get.
I also don't want y'all
You have to get out of the car.
harassing
Let
me.
go. You are under arrest.
For what?
Step
Drive with
out
a
of the
suspended
vehicle now.
license. Come on.
Step
I'm
out
trying to
of the
do
vehicle
this. I'm trying
now.
to do this calmly. You're being very difficult.
Step out of the vehicle now. Step out
It
of the
don't
vehicle
take
now.
three of y'all.
Okay,
It's
well.
3 of them.
Are you gonna step out?
Yeah, but
Stop
you can
resisting.
relax.
Get out.
I can get out on my
Stop
own.
resisting. Get
I
out.
can get out on my own.
Well, you're not. So get out
Well,
now.
Just back up and give me a second.
Let's go
I
now.
want to make it up.
Get out of the car.
I'll get out on my own.
You have to get
I
out.
can get out.
Step out now. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You're under
He's
arrest.
making it difficult.
Put your hands behind your back.
They're arresting me, guys.
I'm trying to, I can't hear her.
And it's 3 of them.
Oh my God. What is you all of
Let's go.
Can you go?
Come on.
Okay, okay. We'll go up to this.
Does this make y'all feel good?
No,
No, it doesn't.
this is not what I wanted to be doing today.
Do you have like a specific problem
No,
with me?
I have a problem that you're in a stop sign, you're driving with a not valid license, and you're holding coffee and a phone in your hand while you're driving.
Who was
That's what I have a
holding the steering
problem.
wheel? That's a flat out
Nobody
lie.
was. I watched you. Sit down. Sit down.
I'll just sit right
Scoot
here.
back. No, get in the car. We're not playing this game. Get in the car. It's done. You're under arrest. Sit in the vehicle, please. Get in the vehicle. Sit down. Thank you.
Hello.
She was charged with resisting without violence and driving with a suspended license. She was also issued a $164 ticket for running the stop sign.
Unbelievable, man. Something about her attitude just doesn't rub me the right way, man. It just rubs me the wrong way. You know, it like that like snarky kind of like you're being nice, but you're sarcastic at the same time. It's like, ugh, you lucky a lady cop wasn't there, man, because she would have wiped that sarcasm right up out of you, man. Get you together. But the officers, they did a good job. You know, they did the best. I think they kept asking her a little bit too much, like, step out of the car. Listen, I'm gonna only tell you twice. If I gotta get to a third time, you're not gonna like it, man. You're not gonna like it. That's how I go. You don't want to act right? I'm going to tell you twice. If I got to tell you a third time, your ass is grass, boy. Your ass is grass. Anyways, yeah, so, but I get them, you know, overall, they did their job, you know, so they get a 5 from me. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.